Hi everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can send a Zoom invite in Outlook. So to begin with, you have to open up this Zoom, copy the link to the whatever meeting that you want to attend. So I'll create a new one, for example. Then you want to go for the share. In here, actually, you know what? Not share, my bad. You want to go to participants, invite. In here, choose the either send email option, or you can also, choose the recipient, or you can also just simply go to invite, copy the invite link, then directly open up the Outlook app on your device, then create a new email, choose the recipient, so I'll go with, let's say, this email, whatever. Then at the text or body of the email, simply paste the link. Alrighty, so don't forget to hit the send button, and that will be it. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your attention, and bye bye.